Good morning, everyone. It's been a while. I haven't updated what's going on here in the farm. Acre number 1, as you guys know, is fully completed. The fans there, you see, they are running. The other side, there's exhaust fans. Working all well. It's planted. The plant's about a month old right now. It's flowering and little baby fruits are coming out. And you see here we built a drench on the side for all the rainwater to be controlled, go straight to the river. Acre number 2 is completed and it's planted. The plant's about 2 weeks old, as you can see them down there. Acre number 3 is completed and it's getting seeds right now. The staff are on it, putting all the seeds in. And acre number 4 in the back there, you see 3 tunnels are covered, 5 more tunnels to be covered. In 2 weeks should be ready, complete for planting. In the back there, I don't know if you can see it, structure framing start. That's acre number 5. Then 6 will be there. Hopefully within the next 30 days both will be completed. My partners from Mexico, both of their acres are done. This one, acre number 1, acre number 2. This is planted and it's growing beautiful. This one is getting ready. Should be planted within the next 30 days. Everything looked great. The guys are amazing. They're working hard. Can't complain. My neighbor is not doing much, but hopefully one day they turn this to oasis. Thanks for tuning.